You are watching me live doing real-time object detection with an AI model which is simply 500 million parameter. This model SmolVLM is being run on llama.cpp on my CPU with a meager 16 GB of memory. That's it. I am running it in my browser, very minimal installation, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video as how can you do this sort of real-time object detection. It's very cold in Sydney, by the way, so please pardon my attire here. So let me show it this cup, and you just have to wait for a few milliseconds to detect it. Hopefully it is going to detect my cup. Okay, there you go. Let me move it around. It is going to detect it. It's not detecting my cup. That is fine. I'll just show it my finger. Yes, okay, now it is saying that looking to the side. There is a bit delay. Yep. How about these fingers? I'll just move it to my camera. We just have to wait for a bit. Okay, so let's wait for it to detect the fingers. So it is saying the person has a headset and is making the peace sign. Okay, I think it is just, maybe I'll just show it 3 fingers. Yep, so it is producing different sort of results, as you can see. How about if I show it maybe this ball? So there is a very, I would say a few milliseconds of delay here. There you go. And this time it says the object appears to be okay. Now it is, you see, it's such a delay, blue device in front of a map, and now it is talking about my drinking a beer. And yes, it's a black hoodie. It's not a water bottle, but we will take it. Okay, so look, we have played enough. Let me show you what exactly is happening here. So this is a project which has been released on GitHub, and that is what I have installed. So what this project is primarily doing here, it is using the llama.cpp inference engine, which I already have covered a lot on the channel, to get real-time object detection with Hugging Face SmolVLM 500 million model in GGF format. And if you look at the files, it's very, very small. You can go with just this quant, which is Q8. This is mmproj one. So you can go with Q8, which is just 820 meg. That's it. And it also comes with a mmproj file. So very lightweight, and you can run it anywhere. As I just showed you, I ran it on CPU with 16 GB of RAM, no VRAM, no GPU involved. And I use this llama.cpp library, which I will shortly show you the whole instruction set as how to get it installed very quickly. Llama.cpp, if you are not aware, it's a LLM inference library, very lightweight, and you can run it with very minimal setup and with state-of-the performance on CPU, GPU, and various other hardware. And I have covered it on the channel a lot. Now, let's see how can you get it installed. First and foremost step, just go to Hugging Face and onto this repository. From there, either download it by yourself, or I will show you a better way where you can download it. But even before that, what you need to do, you need to go to llama.cpp GitHub repo, and from there on the up you will see this release page. Just click on these releases, you will be presented with this screen. Now just download the zip file as per your own operating system. I have downloaded this WinCPU file because I am running my Windows on CPU, but if you are running on Windows on GPU, just download the first. For Mac, for Ubuntu, just go with your own architecture of operating system. So just right click and download it on your local system and then unzip it. So I have downloaded this llama.cpp file here for my Windows. Just right click on it and extract. And once you extract it, you will be presented with all of these exes and DLL files. And then next step, what you need to do is to just go to that repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. From this repo, just click on this green button of code, download this zip file on your local system, and then extract that zip file. You will be presented with this directory structure, and then just keep it here for now. So let me now take you to my terminal in Windows. So this is my Windows terminal. I'm just running it in Git Bash. You can run it in command prompt, in CMD, or in PowerShell. You see this is a llama CPP server is running. So let me press Ctrl C and I will show you how I ran it. So what I did, I just went into that llama.cpp directory which we downloaded and extracted. From there I ran this command llama-server Hugging Face ggml, and it automatically downloaded the model for you. You can also download it manually and give the path of your model here, but this one is much better. So this command not only downloads the model but also starts serving it as I showed you earlier. So you see it has just started serving everything on our local system, and there you go, everything is running on our local host. And then final step, just get this index.html from the repo of the SmolVLM and then open it in your browser. And then once you open it in your browser, first time it is going to ask you to allow access to your mobile phone, which you should do. You can also change the prompt here, that maybe I'll ask it how many fingers I have, and then click on start. Maybe I'll just put it here. Okay, it says I have 5 fingers. There you go, it says I have 4 fingers on each hand, so it has counted it well. And then you can change it, and then you can play around with it as much as you like. I also want to give a huge shout out to our good friends at Camel AI who are sponsoring this video. It's an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please do me a favor, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and please do as much sharing of the videos and channel as you could. I will be very grateful, because that is the only marketing I do, and I totally and solely heavily rely on you guys for this. So thank you very much for all the support. Much appreciated. Thank you.